Welcome back to talk about the mathematical functions. Yeah, we working logic here in our series tutorial for ladder logic programming, and for sure, most of you can expect like while we're doing our program, it should be a way to doing some mathematical functions. The mathematical function listed in this table is like sum of all, not everything. But an example, like if you have like two variables a and b, you can make addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or negating one of them, or taking the modulus, or incrementing, decrementing, getting the maximum or getting the minimum of two variables, or making a trigonometrical function like sine, cosine, tangent. So everything you can like want to the your program to do as a mathematical functions, you will find it in your library in the ladder logic. So let's go very fast to our tutorial to show how you implementing a mathematical function here and simulating as every time our work. So the first way here, let's start from beginning. So from beginning here, you can just starting this box, okay, and this box will calculate the functions you want. Like for example, if you want to make add addition between two variables, so you just like once you type add and enter, you will find here the operands here, operand 1 which is in 1 and operand 2 which is in 2, and you just point the addresses here. You should put the address of each operand and the address of the result where you want your result to be. And here you can see this is the data type of your work. So you can see data type here integer. You can find the integer, okay, and you can find real time and long and short and signed, unsigned. Everything here you can like found the many type. But if you put it, and I recommend to put it like leave it like auto, so whatever you put here, the block will sense the data type and working accordingly. So for example here, you should know like if I put addressing here like a word address for MW1, okay, so this is MW1 and this is MW2, okay, and this is MW3. Oh, have you noticed something wrong I have done here? Yes, correct. This is like if I make it like this thing like MW1, MW2, MW3, there is something wrong here for sure, because this one word, the one word in the addressing like take 2 bytes. So the next word available, it will be like MW3. So this is MW1 and the other one MW3, and the other one will be like you leave MW4 and take MW5 and so on, for not overlapping. Let's try both of these things. Let's try the for first. This is the input and this is the output, and see our simulation. So let it be like because we have a lot of function to simulate today. So this is the one. So here there is the first operand, the second operand, and this is the output. So if I put the value here, okay, and here you will see I need this one to be decimal, okay, and I need decimal 10 for example. So the value here, see what happened, like I putting here the value, and you can see the value coming in the next part. That's why I'm telling you. Let's make it very clear here. If I make in another slide here, you can see like the first memory, this memory has byte 1 and byte 2. This is the first memory word, and the other one will be byte next bytes. So it will be byte 3 and byte 4. Okay, so the address of this one, I'm sorry, my bad. So, like it will be 3 4. Okay, so if I use this one mw0, so the other one mw, this is 0 1, then mw2. So here backing to this and fixing this issue. Okay, so I can make this one to be mw 0, and this one will be mw2, that's correct, and this one will be mw, so 0 1 in the first operand, and 2 and 3, and this is will be 4. Okay, so let's try this one and see if it is correct or still something wrong. Okay, finished, and see simulation. So now if I put this one, okay, like I modify this one, modify operand to be decimal 10. Okay, so this one decimal 10. Oh, we still not running the simulator. So simulator here should be run. So here you can see, my friends, if I put here like 10, okay, so this is 10, okay, no overlap here, but 10 plus 0 is 10. If I put here like 15, so 10 plus 15 is 25. That's what I want to make it clear. So let's go very far, very fast, and make this one instead of this one, it will be subtract. Okay, so I will subtract this from this. Okay, and running my project. Okay, it's running, so just simulate. So you can see here, because this is the negative part, so if this one is greater like 25, so 25 minus 15 is 10. This is same thing you can for not repeating everything. So here you can use any of these functions, like you can make multiply, for example, and upload and run to see what's going on. So you will find very easy run. So this one is 10, this one is 5, so 50. 10 multiply 5 is 50. Okay, so let's make a division also here, one of the functions. So this function will be like a division. Okay, and get the update the program and run. So you will find here like 10 divided by 2 will be 5. You can see. So if 10 divided by 3, for example, so that means it will be 3, but there is a reminder. I need to know what is a reminder, so we can see the modulus to see the reminder. So a reminder here is it will be like 1, because if I use a modulus here and upload, download and run, you will see the modulus is 2. But if it is like 5, so the modulus will be 0, the reminder. Okay, so this is the basic functions of the mathematic, but I want to show you something which is very interesting. But I can also getting like here I will like modify this one to be getting the maximum and the minimum. So I can say, oh, I'm sorry, so this one it will be like the maximum. Oh, because this is like okay, so if I put this one like another box here. Oh, I want to show you the other way to adding a mathematical. So you can come in here to the tree of everything. You can here see the logic bit, and you can see here the mathematical. So all mathematical functions are there here. And also you can add in, as I told you, in the box. So I need here to make like a maximum and the minimum. So I just want to make sure this is the maximum. So I just drag and drop it, and this is our first one. Okay, and this is my first second operand 2, and this is my third operand, which is 4. And you can upload and run to get the maximum of 2 operand. So now you just run your thing, your simulator. If this one is 15 and this one is just 3, so it will take the maximum, which is 15. But if this one is the minimum, so it will be like given the other operand, which is the smallest one. Okay, so loading, it's 3. So this is the minimum and the maximum as well. So you can also simulate the trigeometrical function. Like you can let's use the other one. Like here's the absolute value, and here you can negate like from positive to negative. Everything is very easy. But also here you can get the sine, like one function of the trigonometrical, and this is the angle, which is 60, and this is the output, which is MW, MW 4, and see what's going on here. To run and see. Oh, there is a combining error. I like when I got a combining error to see it together. Okay, so let's see here what's going on. Combining error here. What it says, like it says we have 2 errors. The first one, please select the data type. So because I didn't put any variable here, so I just MW0, I'm sorry, like this. So let's try again. Okay. Oh, still we have one error. So what is the error here? Please select the data type. That's okay. And the other one is please select the data type. So this is the data. Oh, so you can see here the real value and the combine. Everything is okay. So combining, loading, and you can see here if this is 15, so sine of 15, you can see here the output. So if this one is 60, so sine of 60 is 0, sine of 30 negative 1, this is equivalent to negative 1. So let's take this one like absolute. By the way, to adding one box here for absolute. Okay, so if this one like I got this one like another box here, I need another box here, which is absolute. Okay, and this absolute will take the value of this one, which is MW4. Okay, and getting the output in MW2. Okay, and see. So now loading. Oh, there's a problem. I don't know why. What is the problem? Yeah, we need the data type. So the data type here is like let it be real, and see. Now you can run your code and see. So this one I put here 30. So the output here is like this, and the output here is like that. So this one should be like is it here? If this one is long, okay. Oh, okay. All right. So this is when it turned to negative, it given the maximum alphabet of this one. So what if like if I make this a double word? Like if this one is a double word, okay. So I need this one to be offline, so no need for this one, no longer needing this one, and then make this one offline, and I will put this one like MD0. Oh, I'm sorry, DW0. Okay. Sorry guys, because we need to make it like a double word. So double word, it's like ICMW0. Okay, it's not accepted here, so let's move it back like MW. I think DW or MW, MD, I think MD0. Yes, I hope. Yes, MD0 for the double, and this one also will be. So you count now 4 words for the double word, 2 words, so 4 bytes. So now 0, 1, 2, 3. So this one should be MD MD 4, and after 4, so this one will be MD4, and this one will be after 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one will be MD8. Okay, for not overlapping, my friends. So let's see if this thing work better or not. So uploading, there's a problem here. So this one is oh, so this one to be read, and this one read, because one is long and one is, so it should be both of them of same data type. And again, I like, oh, I just already have my simulator, so don't call any other. So I just make sure everything is going well with you. So if this one contains 30, okay, I need it like not like this, I need it like decimal, okay, and this one is 30. So that means I need to see this one in display format in decimal, not automatic. So this 30, the sign of 30 is 0, and this one given 0, 0. Okay, okay. So if this one is 60, so I'm sorry, if this one is 60, okay, oh, it's in decimal. So if this one is 60, so 60 given 0, and so on. So thank you for watching, and if I missed one function here because the length of the session, so you can try yourself as the same way as I telling you. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again in another session of our video series tutorial for PLC programming. Thank you and have a good day.